In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Teams status to always available. If you use Microsoft Teams a lot, you've probably noticed that your status can change automatically to away when your computer is idle, even if you're actually nearby and working. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple workaround using a dummy meeting that helps keep your status showing as available for longer periods of time. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you're not already. On the main screen, look for the option labeled Meet. This is usually near the top or in the left panel, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Meet. We're going to use this to create a meeting that you'll stay connected to in the background. When the meeting options open, click on Create a Meeting Link. We're not inviting anyone or scheduling a real event here. We're simply generating a meeting that you can use for yourself. Next, you'll see an option that says Create and Copy Link. Click on that. Teams will generate a meeting link and it will automatically copy it to your clipboard. You don't need to paste this anywhere unless you want to reuse it later. For now, the important part is that the meeting has been created. Once the link is created, you'll see a Join button associated with this meeting. Click on Join. This will start the meeting in a new window or panel. Before you actually enter the meeting, Teams will show you a preview screen with options for your camera and microphone. To avoid any interruptions or accidental noise, click on Continue without audio or video. This ensures your dummy meeting runs quietly in the background without broadcasting anything. Then click on Join Now to fully enter the meeting. At this point, you are in a one-person meeting, and Teams generally treats you as active and available while you stay connected. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the Teams window and click on your profile icon. This is usually a circle with your initials or a picture. When the profile menu opens, click on your current status. This might say available, busy, away, or something similar. A small list of statuses will appear